Burping Bobby.
Yes.
Oh. Welcome back to Aiden and Mason's Adventures, and today we are playing Burping Bobby. Look at this. It's kind of funny because it's a game, so let's unbox it. Ages 4+. Okay, so here's Bobby, I guess. Here are the tokens. I don't know what these are for. So, the game means, like, this is what you're supposed to do.
Where did Mason go? I can't see him.
Mason! There he is. So the tokens are for, let's say that you think that you're going to get, like, Coca-Cola. And if you get it, you get to keep it. But if you don't, you have to turn this, like, 3 times. It says a number, and that's how many times you have to turn this. And if it happens too many times, he opens his mouth, and then, bah, he burps in your face. Like, did anybody notice, does it burp out green gas? I don't know. I've never played this. And you have to do this. You have to take the ears off. This is hard. How do you take these off? Oh, okay, there we go. Right, so you have to pull. Okay, so let me get some water. There, now let me the water in there. Okay, so there's water.
Well, plus, are we going to get anything after this game?
Maybe, I don't know. One of us wins. I'm gonna win. Me. Reversing. So let's dump the coins out. Do you want to go first, buddy?
Oh, make sure they're face down.
Okay, you can go first.
Alright, I'm done. Here's all the coins. So I think I'm gonna get cheese. Oh, I got Coca-Cola. So that means I have to put it back.
Oh, nope, you're supposed to feed Bobby the Coca-Cola that you got wrong.
So I forgot that part. I forgot to tell you guys that.
It's 3
Now it's in his body.
Gas.
Now you have 1. Okay, I had to turn a 1 now. It's your turn, buddy. Take a coin. What do you think no, first, what do you think you're gonna get?
I'm gonna get cheese.
You got cheese! Somebody gets to keep it! Oh, no.
Ooh, so how do you win the game? Do you get the most tokens?
Yeah, if you get the most tokens, you win. If you, get the least amount of tokens, you lose. But if no one gets any tokens, that means Bobby wins.
Wait, I didn't know if you don't get any tokens, Bobby wins.
Yeah, that's what it says. So, my turn. I think I'm gonna get garlic.
And I also know
Garlic! I got garlics.
Your turn, Bobby.
Oh,
and I also played it once.
Mason, your turn. Okay. What do you think you're gonna get first?
I think I'm gonna get cheese again.
Okay, what'd you get? What is it?
Pizza.
Oh, wait, did that say 2? Okay, feed the pizza to him. Now feed it to Bobby. Feed the pizza to Bobby. Eat the pizza. Now turn the crank twice. Oh, come on, turn it. 1 more. Okay. There it is.
Wow, it sounds like he's eating the food.
My turn. I think I'm gonna get
Let me see if it's gone.
onion.
Whoa, look at that.
I got garlic.
Show us again.
No.
It disappeared, the food. I wonder where it went.
I have to put this in because I said that I was gonna get onion, but I got garlic.
I don't know.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh.
Nope. He didn't burp yet.
I'm gonna get
Hope he doesn't burp at us.
Oh, whatever you pick, you get, honey.
pizza.
Oh, he said
you-
cheese. He guessed cheese.
Oh, wait, what's the number? 3. Oh, no. Feed it to Bobby. Feed it to Bobby.
And can you do 3 times?
Sure, I'll do it for you.
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see Bobby's face when you do it. Oh my God, it really burped.
Did we both do a good job?
You did a great job, but let's see who won the game. Add up your tokens.
Wait, We both only got. Wait, it's a tie. We both win.
You both won?
What do we get?
Good job.
Did we
Since you
get a prize?
yes, since you both won the game,
Ooh, these look yummy to eat.
you both get a
Kinder
Kinder egg.
Wait. Is there nothing inside?
Ooh, it's a surprise toy
Wait,
inside.
first tell us, what do you guys think of this cool game, Burping Bobby?
This game
It's a
is
new
pretty
game.
cool, and the gas actually for real wasn't green because there was a light. It was just
But it
regular
looked
gas,
green.
but it looked green. It's kind of gross.
That was a funny game.
Let's see what we get.
And you can't open it. Open.
I'll open it for you.
First, I'm gonna open my toy.
Show us your toy.
Sticky.
I
There
can.
you go.
Look, see?
You can
Oh,
open it. Closed. And it comes with a spoon to eat, like to eat the candy. Yeah, the chocolate. Let's open a little bit. Can we take the spoon out? What do you
I
get?
wonder if you got the same toy.
Hopefully it doesn't do because that would be. Whoa! I got like what is this?
Oh, come
Show us what you
A
got.
car.
Ooh.
How do you build this?
Oh, that's cool.
Instructions.
Oh, this is tennis.
Oh, Mason got tennis.
Hey, tennis. Like in Daryl will be kid.
Other stickers come with this. Okay, here they are.
Did it come?
This is what we got. I got a monster truck, and he got
And
tennis.
I got tennis.
And the wheels like move, which is pretty cool.
Wow.
And we gave this a 2 thumbs up review because it was a pretty funny game and cool.
Mason, what do you think about Burping Bobby?
Cool. Like, I like the green gas. Wait, but what's this, a Kit Kat?
I don't know. It's like chocolate, I think. Let me look. Oh wait, I think I know. Wait,
Frosting.
this is cream, I think.
Cream?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
I remember that. It came with chocolates. Yeah, yummy ball.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. And until the next one, bye.
We want to see if Burping Bobby will burp again?
Yeah, let's just see. I'm actually gonna keep feeding him some food.
See if you can burp one more time.
Hey kids, you're gonna see him burp at you once it works.
Keep going, Bobby.
He's burping at you. Bye. Tennis ball.